What if your phone could charge in minutes, stay cool while gaming, and shoot incredible photos, all in one device? That's exactly what the OnePlus 15 promises in 2025, a perfect blend of power, design, and performance. The OnePlus 15 introduces a bold new sandstorm design with a frame treated by micro-arc oxidation, AMOLED, for enhanced durability. Its display is a 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED panel, supporting a 165 Hz refresh rate. Powering the phone is the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 3nm process, bringing flagship performance and efficiency. To maintain strong performance under heavy load, the phone includes a next-gen cooling system. The OnePlus 15 houses a large 7,300 mAh battery in certain markets, with support for 120W wired charging and 50W wireless charging. This means less time waiting and more time doing. On the back, you'll find a triple 50MP camera setup, main, ultra-wide, and a periscope telephoto lens, 3.5 times optical zoom in leaked data. The front camera is around 32MP, enabling crisp selfies and video calls. The imaging engine has been updated for better results. The phone ships with Android 16 or ColorOS, OxygenOS 16 depending on region, and offers features like under-display ultrasonic fingerprint, IP68, IP69K durability certification, and more. The OnePlus 15 launched in China, with global rollout to follow. Pricing in China starts around 3,999 yen, US $560 for the base model. Details for other regions may vary. Big battery, stunning display, and next-level performance. The OnePlus 15 is more than just another upgrade. It's built for those who demand high performance, smooth visuals, and reliable battery life. Would you make this your next smartphone? Let us know in the comments. And please like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing tech reviews and updates.